Alright, here's a quick little recap on some of the colors I did this week. Let me know which one was your favorite. Make sure y'all like this video and comment what colors I should make next. And thank you so much to everyone that comments colors. I promise you I will get to yours, just be patient. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and will these catch bass or throw them in the trash? Vikings colors. It's almost NFL season and I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and make this one happen. First we gotta make the tail, so I'm gonna use some white from a previous batch, chop that up into fine little pieces. I'm gonna add some stabilizer to help prevent burning. Stir it up into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. We only need the tail, so chop them up. Put them back into the mold, rub it down for good luck. For the main color, I'm using electric grape from Dead On Plastics. I did about 30 drops. Stir it up. I'm using gold glitter from Lure Works. It's the dark gold one. Scoop. Some white. Scoop. Stir it up into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. And voila, this is how they turned out. If you're part of the Skull Vikings, comment down below and let me know. Make sure y'all like this video and comment what other teams you'd love to see me do. Alright, the homie asked me to make a copycat version of Zoom White Eye Super Flute, so I went to the store to check them out. I'm already pretty good at stealing people's ideas, so let's go home and make these. So I cooked up a batch of the white, straight white. Here's the clear plastisol. I'm gonna add some flakes. Silver going in, and the rest of my black going in. Stir it up into the injector. Don't forget the dual attachment piece. Shoot the mold, top it off. This is how the inside of the attachment was looking like, and this is how one of the flukes looked in the first shot, and this was the other one. You gotta show the good and the ugly, but it's all good. We live and we learn. Anyways, this is how the rest of them turned out. They turned out freaking great. Definitely can't wait to fish these suckers. And a huge shout out to Zoom. They make some phenomenal baits. Alright, so yesterday I made some baits using Neo Peach. This is how they turned out. Freaking sweet. One of the homies hit me up with a comment saying to use this as a tail on a synthetic body bait. I thought that was freaking phenomenal idea. So I'm gonna chop some up to put into the microwave to get nuked. Stir it up when it comes out. Go ahead and suck it up into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. All you need is a tail, so I'm gonna chop those up. Looking awesome. Back into the mold. Gonna rub it down for good luck. Synthetic from Dead On Plastic for the main color here. Stir it up. I'm gonna use fire red small flakes from Lure Works. Scoop. Stir it up into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. And this is how they turned out. These turned out incredible. I cannot wait to fish these. What do you guys think about these? Will they catch bass or throw them in the trash? As always, like this video and comment what colors you'd love to see me do. Alright, the homie Ty is asking for black with chartreuse end. So I'm gonna start with the tail. I'm gonna use Dead On Plastic chartreuse. I did about 35 drops. Stir it up into the injector and we're gonna shoot the mold. Always make sure to top it off. You only need the tail, so we're gonna chop those up, put them back into the mold, close them up, rub them down for good luck. For the main body black, we're gonna use Lure Works. Stir it up. I had some chartreuse glitter I want to try from Lure Works, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoop. Stir it up. This is what it's looking like. It looks freaking great. I'm gonna add some salt, pour, stir, into the injector and shoot the mold. Top it off. And this is how they turned out. The chartreuse glitter definitely complements this bait really well. These turned out amazing. And what do you guys think? Will these catch bass or throw them in the trash? Make sure y'all like this video and comment what colors I should do next. If you made it this far into the video, I salute you, and you might as well go ahead and subscribe.